Now you already know this is like the best one. Why I say this is because of this. You seeing this? You can add like input gain and everything right here, audio enhancements, headphone jack option of course, and then there you go. You get voice focus. How cool is that? And of course, Elgato noise removal and Elgato EQ. You can add even more. They're the options. You can add more from audio effects from their website. You can add those. I mean, if you have Stream Deck Plus, it's a must-have. Just buy it.